2017 Ram 1500 Patriot Blue or B5 Blue. Really nice truck. 5.7 liter Hemi. There's the catalytic converters. There and there, the usual. There's the wide pipe. It goes into 3-inch. Guess what we put on it? FLOWMASTer 40 series. Right there, part number 430402. There will be a link in the description. If you don't want it to drone too much and not too loud, you put a 40 series. You want to drone a little bit and be a lot louder, more aggressive, do a 10 series. And if you want it really obnoxiously loud, do a straight pipe, wide pipe, and definitely take the resonators off. This one and this one. But he, you know, he's got kids and a wife, and they said, no, we want to be able to hear ourselves talk and all that good stuff. So we put him a 40 series right there. And then we left the resonators also there and there. That's just a heat shield. They're both the same size on the resonators. They just put a heat shield there to protect the tire. And it's still got the 3-inch tips there and there. And there's the massive muffler we cut off right there. So let us know what you guys think in the comments and hit that subscribe button if you like the sounds. Okay. Much better. There's sound decibels. 102. That it's not going to drone at all inside. Very minimal. You're going to be really happy with it. I like that sound, man. That sounds good. That 40 series never disappoints, man. Sky Muffler, can you hold, please? It's nice and cold. It's not, the truck is not cold, it's just the weather's really cold here. It's like 30 degrees outside. Let you guys hear on the inside. Ram 1500 came out sounding really nice. We just put a 40 series on this one. Came out really nice. Sorry guys, too much traffic. Traffic galore. Traffic galore.